Hello friends, wishing with happy and healthy day to you. I am again right back with my new video. As friends, as I started to explain about the factors that affect to our communication system, that distract and hamper our communication system, the topic of chapter 3. In this chapter I already explained the two important factors, that was language and feeling. But now in this video I am going to explain the other type of other factors, which is environment and visual perception, that also affect to our communication system. So students, as we know, these two are the major factors that distract and hamper the effectiveness of our communication. So we have to explain the first one, that is the environment. Students, the word environment is not new to all of you. Environment refers to the surrounding in which the communication is going on, in which we live in. It refers all those physical and conditional causes such as noise, loud music, heavy crowd, using the same room for communication always, color of the wall in which the communication is going on. That all are the environmental factors that simply distract our effectiveness of the communication. As students, as we know, it is the human nature to get affected by the surrounding. It plays most important role even in the life of students too. You can just imagine your feeling when you study in the dark black colored room. Suppose a room has been provided you for a study, and that room is quite dark. What do you feel in that room? I think you will feel that the room is not very proper to you for you to study. It means what? It means you are affected from the surrounding. Second one example, you would have seen the classroom of nursery, UKG, LKG and so on. On the wall, different imaginary sceneries of the nature and related his subject matters are drawn. Why? Because they help to insist their construction in the brain. So environment is also an important factors that affect the communication system. Second one is the visual perception. Visual perception means self-understanding about the things that we watch and see. When I give to see you an object, when I give you to see an object, and the next I asked you to explain about the same, I think your explanation will be quite different from each other. Why? Because different people perceive the same thing differently. And this all due to the differences of their level of visions. Do you ever think how to feel to see a man first time when you come to meet with a person? In my opinion, the matters related to the person strike the first time our brain is known as the visual perception related to the person. So these things must be kept in a mind during communication. It is necessary to know well about the perception level of the receiver or the audience before communication is started. And after knowing that, we should communicate accordingly. So after this line, the factors related to affecting the communication have been completed. Some other factors may also be explained in the next video. So till have a nice day and thank you.